everyone, you are welcome back to Adorable Kitchen. If you are coming here for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Adaora. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys my evening cook dinner with me slash oh my god slash cleaning routine. This is something I do most evenings. Sure, it just depends on what we are having for dinner, but most times I do these things. I just get dinner going and I also clean at the same time. But my priority is to get dinner going. Okay, I don't like come straight and start cleaning. No, because I know that after cleaning everything will still be messed up. So I don't even bother cleaning before dinner. I just cook dinner first, then I clean. So this night we had beans and fried plantains. I already bought the beans. I bought the beans during the day with my pressure cooker. Then I set the beans aside just to relax and chill and wait for me to turn it into porridge. So now I just peeled my plantains. These are ripe plantains, obviously. I peeled the plantains and I cut them into slices. The beans I'm making this night, I already have that recipe on my channel. You may want to watch that video in case you're interested in seeing the full recipe, because this video is not a recipe video. I'm not going to be that detailed in showing you all the steps that I will be taking in making these beans. Okay, but if you want to see a very uninterrupted and detailed recipe on these beans, you may click the link on the screen to watch that. Here I just got my purple onions and I just wanted to blend the onions with the bell peppers and the habanero peppers and use the mixture as the base for my beans porridge. I'm blending the bell peppers. I just blended it coarsely. Okay? I didn't just like blend it too smooth. Okay, now I brought out the pots that I want to use in making the food. I have two pots here. One is a frying pan to fry the plantain and the other one is the pot that I will use in making the beans porridge. So now the dinner is getting ready. I'm frying the plantain and also making the sauce for the beans. So now it's time to start getting things arranged. Okay, so this is what I usually do. I just get the dinner going first, and while waiting for the food to finish cooking, I then use that time to arrange and straighten things up in the kitchen. So that is what I was doing at this stage, just getting the plates and the spoons, just putting them in their proper places.
Push me further, so I couldn't close inside. Oh, yes. No, 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 no. 10 feet over, say I'm always up too high. Wish you could take me back. You're standing there with arms wide open. Where it all began.
We are done with the cooking. Okay, so the next thing is for me just to clean and wash the dishes and just arrange and wipe down the kitchen counter. If you look outside, you see that it is dark already. Okay, this is night and it's now dark outside, but thank God I finished cooking already. The only thing left for me is just to clean everywhere, and everywhere will just be sparkling clean as always. If you I Nigerian, or let me say, I don't know sure about other African countries, but I'm sure of Nigeria. Okay, in Nigeria, we always have a lot of this freezer plates. We have a lot of it, and most times they are stained with oil. They have this oil stain that cannot even be washed out unless you dry them in the sun. Okay, so we use them all the time to freeze our food. You know, in Nigeria, cook we eat homemade food most times, and we cook in large quantities and just freeze them. So we have a lot of those plates in every, I think almost every Nigerian homes you find plates like that. We use them in storing our foods in the freezer, and because we cook with oil, we cook with red oil, most times those plates have oil stains that don't even go out. Okay, they don't go out, so that's why you saw all those plates on the counter. This is the beans that I didn't add, the remaining beans that I didn't add, because I don't want it to be too much for the sauce. So I just put the beans in a plate and I kept it in the fridge. Maybe sometime someone else might use it, maybe to pair with rice, or I don't know, but I know that it will serve a purpose some other time. So next thing, I just wipe my kitchen counters. After wiping everything, I like to get the counters cleaned first before I wash the plates. I don't know if any other person does this. I'm sure I'm not the only one that do things like this. I just like to clean first. During the process of the cleaning, I if I see anything that needs to be washed, I will just unpack them inside the sink. Then after cleaning everywhere, the counters, then I finally wash the plate. Okay, I think washing plate and just wiping down the sink area is the last thing I do. Okay, that's the last part of my evening cleaning routine. If you have not watched my morning routine, I put up a video some months ago, my morning cleaning routine. If you watch that video, you notice that most times my morning routine start with me putting my plates in place, the plates I washed the previous night. So then the next morning I just keep them in their places because they must have drained water by then. And this is the end result. This is the look now, and this is our food waiting for us to share the food and just eat and enjoy. I know that some people don't like beans as dinner because of heartburn issues and indigestion, but we don't have that issue in this house. Okay, we don't experience that, so it's okay for us to have. And the most important thing is that we eat dinner early, like we don't stay too late before we eat dinner, so we still have time for these beans to digest. But if you don't like beans as dinner, that is okay, do whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that whenever I upload a new video, you will know and you will see the video. Also turn on your notification bell, that is your bell, the bell sign by the side of that subscribe button, so that whenever I put up a new video, you will get alert on a phone. Okay, you'll be alerted that I uploaded a new video. So until next time, remain safe and God bless you. Bye.